Hello, little learners. Welcome to FunSeed Kidzy, where you play 교선 together. Hello, little friends. I am Teddy. Today we learn A, B, C.
Are you ready? Let's start together. This is letter A. A says ah. A is for apple. This is letter B. B says buppa. B is for ball.
This is letter C. C says k. C is for cat.
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Great job! A, apple, yum, 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 beep, beep, oh, bounce and run, C, happy we! Bye-bye, little learners. See you next time.
Subscribe for more fun learning.